3 or 4 minutes to 2 members.
Ni mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igii urimi kuria mbunge mamwe na giikaro na minista urimi mithika linturi itanya-ini ni ari kwenda kumenya gitumi gia kwaga kurekerera kwa marihi kuria athii ya mbembe aria makuruhanirio na thogora ya mutu wa ngima wa raithi mwaka mwituku. Minista linturi oneka gwithemana na ciũria cia thogora ino iria atwarithirio na mbere akioneka gucokia murigo kuri maabitha ministry aria mari wira-ini hindi ya wathani wa minista urimi wa hau kabere Peter Munya.
My only plea is that we be allowed to present what we have for the best of our knowledge, and if there will be a requirement from your end that we submit extra information, then we will be glad to do so. I may be completely unable to respond candidly to that particular issue because, just like I've told you, I've just hand that for the first time.
Thina munene ukoneka gukorwo ari ministry no kuremererwo ni gutariria ni kigina kigana atia kirihitwo athii ya mutu. Ministry no kionania irikitie kuriha ciringi bilioni 3.6 indi athii ya mutu maugite mamukirite ciringi bilioni 2.9.
Treasury released 4 billion shillings. The ministry was able to pay a total of 3.279 billion. Where is the other money?
We paid an amount of 300 to mirrors 3 billion 366 999 497.95.
Our report is so clear that meetings took place at the National Treasury on this and that date. The Minister of Agriculture was never involved.
Wathani wa hau kabere ukoneka gukorwo kigwetwo gukuruhanio na guthogo gwa thogora ino. Riu maabitha ministry no makigweta ati maigitwo nduma-ini matekumenya niki kirathie na mbere. Riu horo kiumbuka atio na ikinya riri ritiakinyanirio ni ndundu ya maminista indi ria hitukirio ni kanju ya ugitiri.
Under cabinet file, my assumption is that there was a cabinet decision and the Minister for Agriculture then sat in the cabinet, unless there is an exemption possibility which needs to be given to us. So the decision was made in the presence of the minister.
The decision that the body that came with the idea of this subsidy was not a decision of the main cabinet. And National Security Council is not part of cabinet. So this is where the decision was made.
Ona kuri ugo ministry no ni ikorire kiendo gutariria gitumi kiayo kuhea kigina gikiru kuma kuri ruhonge rwa kigina hari mwaka uyu wa kigina. Riu ambunge makiuga ministry no ititie kigina gikiru na ciringi bilioni 1.3 iria ciandikithirio kuriha mathirĩ ma athii ya mutu mwaka wa 2017 nginyagia 2018. Ona thengia ya mathirĩ mothe ma mwaka uyu gukorwo marikitie kurihwo.
Look at the period of this subsidy program. Is between 20th of July and August. You all know what you are doing at this particular time.
Thengia macio minister linturi ni onanitie mwihoko wa kwimathira irio cia kuigana kuri ya Kenya othe ica ikuhĩ rĩu agĩtarĩria kwambĩrĩrio kwa ũgũri wa mbembe, mũcere na mbembe cia gathirikari kuma nja ya bũrũri hatarĩ kũrĩhio magoti ma igũrũ.
We have already gazetted 500,000 metric tons yellow maize for animal feed. And if you are anybody who wants to bring, you are invited to come to my office. We'll be able to facilitate the issues of permit for them to bring.
Kurigana na ministry no gukinyeria umuthi tani 43 cia mucere na tani 1,350 cia mbembe ni irikitie gukinya guku bururi-ini. Riu Kenya makirero gukorwo makiona utiganu wa maundu makiria hari thogora wa indo hari thikũ 10 ciukite. Handũ-ini ya Kameme TV retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.
3 or 4 minutes to 2